Hello viewers, this is Christabel Diana from Trinity Software. In this video we can see the easy method to find the primitive root of a prime number. Let's take a simple example. 157, p value is 157. The first step is to find out phi of p, which is Euler-Torschian function. For prime number it's just p minus 1, we get 156. Next we have to find out the prime factors of phi of p. So we are going to find out 156 prime factors using repeated division method. We are repeatedly dividing 156 till we get the prime factors. So there are 3 prime factors here, 2, 3 and 30. The next step is to find out ni. We are just going to divide phi of p by the prime factors. So we get 3 values for n. The next thing is you have to try starting from 2 and any number less than 157. We are going to find out a power ni mod p. And if any of the residues is the result which we get from mod p after applying the mod function. If the residue is 1, then a is not a primitive root, else it will be considered as a primitive root. So let's check from 2. So 2 power 78, we are applying the mod function 157. So we get 156 here. So let's try for the next one, 52. 2 power 52 mod 157, which gives 1 as the residue. So 2 is not a primitive root here. So next we can try 3. 3 power 78 mod 157 gives 1. So this is also not a primitive root. We are ignoring 4 because 4 is not a primitive root of any prime number p. So let's check for 5 now. We get 156. For the next value we get 12 and then 130. We get distinct values. So 5 is the primitive root of mod 157. So this is how we find out the primitive root for any prime number. Next we'll see the number of primitive roots of a prime number p. The formula for finding out the total number of primitive roots is phi of p minus 1. So now this is a composite number. For any composite number, phi of n can be calculated using this formula. It's a simple formula. So applying this we get, first I am representing 156 as the product of prime factors. Then phi of 156 can be calculated using this. So first n into 1 minus 1 by p1. The first prime number, then the second prime number 3 and the third prime number 13. So we get 48 as the answer, which is the total count of the primitive roots for the prime number 157. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, kindly subscribe.